tired of overpriced smartphones that don't deliver? Well, you're in luck. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 4G might just be the answer to your budget phone prayers. In this video, we're going to break down why this phone offers so much bang for your buck. Spoiler alert, for the price, this thing is an absolute steal. But does it have any downsides? Stick around to find out if the Redmi Note 14 Pro 4G is your next must-have device. Let's start with what you'll see every time you pick up this phone, the 6.7-inch AMOLED display. It's got a 120Hz refresh rate. That means smoother scrolling, better gaming, and an overall premium feel. And all of this is packed into a slim and sleek design. It looks and feels much more expensive than it is. Performance. Now, what about performance? It's powered by the Snapdragon 732G chipset. Sure, it's not the latest and greatest, but for everyday tasks, social media, video streaming, and light gaming, it works like a charm. Plus, with 8GB of RAM, you won't be left hanging when you've got multiple apps open. Camera magic. If you're into mobile photography, this phone's 108MP main camera will blow you away. The photos are sharp and vibrant, especially in good lighting. You've also got ultra-wide and macro lenses for added flexibility. This camera setup really punches above its weight class. Battery and charging. Let's talk about the battery, because what's a good phone without enough juice? With a 5000 mAh battery, you're easily getting through a full day on one charge. And if you do run low, the 67 watts fast charging has you covered, going from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. The downside. So, what's the catch? Well, there's no 5G support, which might leave you feeling a little future-proofed. And while the Snapdragon 732G works great for most tasks, it's not ideal for heavy gaming. But for the price, these are compromises you might be willing to make. Conclusion. So, is the Redmi Note 14 Pro 4G worth your hard-earned money? If you're looking for an affordable phone with an awesome display, strong battery, and great cameras, it's a big yes. But if you need 5G or are a hardcore gamer, you might want to look elsewhere. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more budget phone reviews. What phone should we review next? Let us know in the comments below.